other day, other acai bowl. We're in Maui still, but we're leaving today to Kauai. But before we go, which our flight is at 10:15 and it's 9:43 and we're still here waiting for an acai bowl. We decided to try two places before we leave. So here's one from a bakery down the street. And then we're in this other place that is like healthy choice or something like that. And we ordered a second one, but I think this one's gonna work for us from both choices. But let's see. Hopefully we'll make it on time to our flight. It's another one! Perfect, so now I need to wait for Kyle because I sent him to pick up the car. That will maximize time, but I think we did it right. So see you guys in a little bit. Hello everyone!
What's up?
We are at a beach that Kyle found that
We're
is
beach bumming it today.
like a secret beach.
Ooh, kind of secret, but there's also people who also know the secret.
So we're here and today we decided to have like just a chill beach day. We're gonna get roasted. The mission is get tan.
We're gonna see who can get more tan. It's a competition, folks. Who do you think will win? Let us know in the comments.
And who the winner is gonna win? What the winner is gonna win?
The winner of this getting dark competition must do whatever the loser wants for,
No, sí, claro, me imagino.
for at least the next 6 months.
No.
That sounds fair.
So we're under a tree over here. A very
Shading up.
interesting tree. This that I got in Oahu, Honolulu, Waikiki. So it's a kit made here for getting tan. So
It's the secret to my victory.
sure. So we're gonna try and show you guys if it works or not. So Maui Babe Rowing Lotion, and then you have an after rowing lotion. So let's get started. Put some sunscreen before because I was scared of getting like burned. I just want to get tan, which is different. So let's try this out and I'll show you guys the final result. We're boat sailing in Napali coast and snorkeling and eating barbecue with Captain Andy's.
Let's do it.
10% of those shoes go into the cart. There's a little step. Good, how are you doing? Good.
Hey guys, what's your last name?
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
Morning, guys. Yeah, a lot of good shopping. A little bit of shopping, a lot of good restaurants in Hawaii. Honeymoon in maybe. The first to climb the Swiss Alps used one. And a waterfall coming off the other side of the bank. Movies off the Tokyo Dome.
I think Honeymoon's gonna be like that. They're huge. No, it's huge.
Fucking sleeping. What are you doing?
You were sleeping and it was cute. Mira, ese es un waterfall. Un little waterfall.
Yeah?
You look like you're getting ready.
We're ready to snorkel, baby. Getting ready to snorkel.
Alright everybody, I got a quick snorkel briefing. We're gonna touch on some... Alright, tighten that waist strap. You'll be a lot more comfortable because of it. It should be a little uncomfortable out of the...
Drop it to me, but make sure I have it. You'll go off the bat.
Qué loco. Qué loco, my husband. Crazy, crazy. Let's go.
I'll meet you off the back to give me the phone again.
Okay.
Alright, we're getting ready to snorkel off of the coast, the Nepali coast. Baby, first time snorkeling?
First time snorkeling,
How
and
you
I don't know
feeling?
if I'm ready for this.
You are ready for it. I can see it in your eyes. I barely see your eyes through these, but I can see it. Honeymoon!
This is so amazing! Wow! Oh yeah, you look super cool.
Don't freak out. Just put your thing in your mouth.
Opa! That's what he said.
Hey, save that for later too. Yeah. Whoa.
Alright everyone, today we're on to the next adventure. As you guys can hear, we're about to fly on a helicopter! And where are we doing?
We are going to fly all over the island, Hawaii, and see it from the air. We just saw it from the water, and I'll see it from the air.
We just were at the, like a sail, like a boat over the Nepali coast, and now we're gonna do the whole island in an helicopter. So I'm so excited. I think it's I'm super sure it's my first time in a helicopter, so this is gonna be fun. Thank you so much. What do you think?
Wow. Maybe the most beautiful views I've ever seen. This land is gorgeous. The craters, the deserts, the waterfalls, the trees. It is incredible.
It was insane, unbelievable. Like every single minute was like, oh. I think all the videos Kyle filmed of me, I was with my mouth open.
I've never seen her mouth open that much.
But it's like, and I realized that anytime I saw him with the camera, I was like,